Susenta. So Dinase Susenta is the late product of botanical innovation with the aim of increasing wellness, cellular rejuvenation, and to shield the body away from illnesses. So what makes Dinase Susenta different is because it is fused with NMN, or what they call in the scientific community, the anti-aging molecule. So aside from plant stem cell, meron tayong NMN. Okay, so excuse me lang po, pasensya na po. Medyo lang po nangangati lang aking lalamunan. So what are the benefits of Dinase Susenta? One, of course, is improved metabolism, strengthened immune system, it lowers the risk of obesity, it enhances cardiovascular health, cognitive vitality, and it promotes sleep quality. But, to be honest po, these are just some of the benefits. Marami pa po. Sorry about that. Talagang nangangati lang ang lalamunan po. So what are the main ingredients? Of course, the main ingredients are Bulgarian rose placenta. This is where our plant stem cell comes from. We have nicotinamide mononucleotide, or the anti-aging molecule NMN. Brown seaweed extract. Brown seaweed extract is a very common ingredient po. Not really common, but one of the main ingredients kung gusto po magpapayat. That's why placenta can help in reducing weight. Lotus germ extract. They have bitter melon extract also, which is, of course, as we all know, anti-diabetic and anti-cancer, and of course, ashwagandha root extract. Now, Bulgarian rose placenta. So what are the benefits? We have Bulgarian rose placenta is, of course, very high antioxidant capacity. It, of course, it promotes smooth and silky skin, and of course, youthful skin. Why? Because number one, it increases skin elasticity. It boosts in the epidermal skin cell regeneration. So, nagre-regenerate po ang balat natin. It also helps in wound healing. We have clients po na, sorry, meron po tayong clients na, what do you call this? May sugat, pero natulungan po talaga nitong Dinase Susenta. But aside from this, of course, kasi po nag-focus lang po si Bulgarian rose placenta on the benefits on the skin. But, to be honest po, bakit maganda si Bulgarian rose placenta? Because, teka lang po ha, meron na po tayo mga waiting. Let's just admit everyone. Okay. Ayaw mag-admit. Bakit kaya? Naglalag. Pasensya na po. I think my internet is lagging. Okay. So, why is Bulgarian rose placenta a very good ingredient? Why? Because it is coined as the ultimate stem cell through the technology of phytoplacenta. Okay? So, ultimate stem cell. So, may idea po ba ang lahat tungkol sa stem cell? Let me just may naglalag talaga. Yan. So, what are stem cells ba? Stem cells po are often called the master cells of the body. Why? It is the raw material po from which all other cells with specialized functions are generated. Through, of course, embryonic stem cells. Nung time po na tayo ay na-fertilize, nung time po na ang egg cell ng ating mga going to forward our organs, our bones, our skin, lahat po tayo. From up to the time na tayo nag-mature, from being a fetus inside the womb of our mothers, up to us becoming a mature person or a mature organism, we all came from stem cells. Now, what is the difference pa, no? Ito po yung isang kagalingan ng Diyos ng tayo ay binuo or tayo kinliit. We were blessed with the capacity to regenerate and to heal our bodies on our own. Yun po ay because of stem cells. Because when we fully mature, we are left with what we call adult or somatic stem cells. And the purpose of adult or somatic stem cells is to repair the human body. siya po yung magre-repair. So if ever there's an organ that, or a specific cell in an organ that needs repairing, the stem cell or the somatic stem cell will divide. It will create the necessary cell needed by that organ or the specific cell that needs repair. And the other one, kasi nga nag-divide siya into two, yung isa naman will be a replicate of the stem cell. Siya lang po ang nag-iisang cell in the body that has the natural ability to replicate itself continuously. Tuloy-tuloy po yan. That's why wala siyang ubos. Kung tutuusin ha, if in normal conditions, healthy conditions, dapat hindi siya nauubos. Kasi po yun talaga yung kanyang purpose sa katawan natin, to repair. And however, I'd like to explain lang po what cellular damage is, why it's important for us to give more importance to cell repair and cell renewal. Pagka po healthy ang cells natin, our cell membranes po is soft and permeable. Yung pong nakabalot sa cells natin are soft and permeable. When you say permeable, nakakapass through lahat nutrients, nakakapasok easily. And then the toxic wastes produced inside the cell nakakalabas easily as well. So there's this normal cycle of accepting nutrients and then releasing toxic waste out. So para ma-maintain yung health ng cell. Now, kapag po ang cell ng isang organ or isang organism ay unhealthy na, ang unang-una po nagiging problema sa kanya, the cell membrane or yung balot ng cell becomes hard and rigid. Once that becomes hard and rigid, mahirap na pong pumasok ang nutrients and mahirap na rin maglabas ng toxic waste. So you can just imagine, pag nag-start maging unhealthy ang isang cell, imagine the toxic waste na naiipon sa loob na hindi na makalabas. So that furthers the cell degeneration, di ba? Now, kailan ba nagmamanifest yan? Well, the collection of unhealthy cells in the body, of course, would manifest into illness. So, magkakaroon tayo ng kondisyon, meron tayong diabetes, meron tayong hypertension, or whatever condition, cancer, yan. And then, when we get sick, or when we are diagnosed with an illness, that's the only time we start medication, that's the time we take supplements, we become self-conscious, and we also eat healthy diets na. Parang, kumbaga sa atin, bakit nga ba nagiging unhealthy ang cell? Bakit pa tayo nagkakasakit? It's because of the lifestyle that we live, di ba? That's just a simple pagpupuyat. A simple pagpupuyat would greatly affect the cell regeneration of our body. Because we regenerate, our body heals itself when we sleep, during sleep. So yung pagpupuyat na lang is one major cause of disease. Number 2, yung mga kinakain natin with the online purchases of fast foods and everything, processed foods, yan, nakakatulong din po yan para lalo tayo magsakit. We develop illnesses. Now, when we develop the illness, when we get diagnosed, saka tayo nagiging conscious. Saka tayo magte-take ng gamot, saka tayo magpa-vitamin, supplements, everything. Let's go for healthy diet. Low carb ako ngayon. Hindi ako mag-sugar na ever. Ganon. However, once our cells are unhealthy na, these no longer work. Or if they may work, very minimal na lang po ang maiitulong niya sa atin. Why? Because nga of our unhealthy cells having hard and rigid cell membranes, paano pa nila i-absorb yan? Hindi na, di ba? They won't be able to absorb. So, hindi mag-heal. That's why we are promoting stem cell therapy, because the only way for us to heal, regenerate, or even replace damaged cells is through the help of stem cell therapy. Because, as I mentioned earlier, stem cell po talaga ang the only repair mechanism that we have in the body. So, I hope you would understand that. Now, let's go to the next, or what we call, ito po yung the most important, the core ingredient, nicotinamide mononucleotide. So what are the major benefits? Anti-aging, it improves cognitive vitality, cardiovascular health, it also improves, it strengthens our immune system, an energy booster, it improves eyesight and vision. But, as I mentioned earlier, hindi lang po ito ang benefits ni NMN. Now, ano po ba si NMN? Sorry, my computer is lagging. I think it's because of the internet. Okay. Why is NMN important? Ito po, ipapakilala ko muna sa inyo ang isa pang molecule na naturally occurring in our body, which is called NAD+, or nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. It is a naturally occurring molecule that is vital in our survival and longevity. Our body po needs NAD+ para po ma-mediate or ma-promote yung production of energy that our cells need to function. Our cells po need energy para po ma-maintain ang health and ma-maintain ang kanyang function, continued function. Plus, NAD+ can also fuel enzymes that are needed and vital in DNA repair. So, DNA naman yan. So, kumbaga, it's not just cellular, but it's molecular na po. Ano po? However po, as we age, this molecule, NAD+, it progressively declines, which is also directly related to the development of age-related diseases and dysfunctions. So, nababa po talaga. Habang nadadagdagan po ang ating edad, bumababa po ang I think it's more of the body producing NAD+, habang po tumatanda tayo. And so, kaya po tayo nagde-develop ng mga age-related diseases like neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, dementia. We have vision and hearing impairment, liver disease, dysfunction. We have cerebrovascular disease or stroke, cardiovascular diseases, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, cancer, diabetes. Those are all related, of course, to age pagka po tumatanda tayo. And it is also identified that it's directly related sa pagbaba po ng NAD+ natin. NAD+ po is very vital in the promotion or in the pagpapahaba ng buhay ng cells. So this is, our stem cells po is also reliant in NAD+ para tuloy-tuloy po ang buhay niya. That's why po, stem cells also, as we age, bumababa din po ang concentration niya. That's why our repair capacity or the repair mechanism of our body nababawasan habang tumatanda tayo. Now, where does NMN come in? Ano po? Bakit may NMN, ma'am? Bakit merong NAD+? So, ang role ni NMN is this. Si NMN po, ang precursor or kailangan po ni katawan natin ng NMN para po makaproduce tayo ng NAD+. And our body po, our NAD+ po kasi cannot be produced outside of the body. It can only be produced in vivo or inside. Now, scientists have identified that if we supplement the body with NMN, which is the precursor of NAD+, it promotes the production of NAD+. Kaya po, the anti-aging effect of NAD+ and NMN na na-enjoy ng katawan. Because when we are supplemented with NMN, ang atin pong, the body's capacity to produce NAD+, of course, increases with the help of NMN. And of course, this would be able to alleviate, and of course, some people, they say talaga, and there are clinical studies that reverse the age-related diseases po na lumabas sa katawan natin. So, ganun po ka-powerful ang NMN supplementation. So, later po, kapag may questions kayo, you can just type it in the chat box and then later po we will answer your questions. Ano po? Okay. Let's go to some clinical. These are just some of the clinical studies po conducted on NMN or nicotinamide mononucleotide. The clinical studies po are from scientists, doctors, and of course, very important school, of course, is Harvard University. So, ito po yan. There's of course a clinical study po that NMN can synergistically improve aged heart function. So yung mga tumatanda na pong puso. It cuts on weight, cholesterol, and blood pressure in overweight adults. So nakakatulong din po sa blood pressure. Ito po, supplement. Ito naman po is NMN riboside is supplementation to the elevated systolic blood pressures and arterial stiffness, yung mga po naninigas na ang ating mga arteries, yan. So, very common po sa mga matatanda. Ito po isa rin, it limits the growth of cancer cells or breast cancer cells and the spread po. It limits not just the growth but also the spread of breast cancer cells. And then it also improves, of course, sleep quality. In cardiovascular studies, of course, nakakatulong po para mabawasan ang mortality risk po ng mga tao po na nagpa-chemotherapy. Because we all know, people who have undergone chemotherapy, literal po para silang pinapatay. Why? Because chemotherapy is what? It kills not just the cancer cells, it kills also the good cells. But with NMN, here's a study that says that it can improve po, it can restore the physical function po of people who have undergone chemotherapy. And then we have also those na meron pong brain mitochondrial respiratory deficits. Yan po yung isa sa mga cause po ng Alzheimer's disease. So it also helps in preventing and even reversing Alzheimer's po. Then we have also yung pong metabolic benefits. So metabolic benefits po is, of course, yung how we process energy in our body, how we use up energy in our body, it also improves that. Rescues female fertility, yung mga hindi magkaanak. Ito po, it's also good for diabetes, male infertility, nakakatulong din. We also have the improvement po of the body immune system, especially po yung sa immune response for COVID-19. And this is also a study po that says that NMN can inhibit COVID-19 infection. So kaya niyang i-prevent ang COVID-19 infection. And of course, it prevents kidney damage, restores kidney function. So these are just some po of the clinical studies about NMN. So kita niyo po a wide range of benefits na kaya niyang i-promote at kaya po niyang ibigay sa katawan natin. Plus of course, we have plant stem cell, which is the natural or the stem cell po in the body, which is the repair mechanism. Now, lotus germ extract, it enhances our immune system, stimulates the production po of collagen, and then regulates metabolic process, reduces the risk of Alzheimer's disease, the production of melanin, nakakaputi po ito, kaya po siya may skin whitening effect. Ashwagandha root extract naman po is a well-known ingredient in Ayurvedic medicine that can promote better sleep. It can lower cholesterol and regulates blood sugar, boosts fertility po and testosterone levels in men, but more importantly po, it relieves stress and anxiety. Now, how to consume po Dinase Rosenta? You may take one sachet po a day under the tongue. It should be under the sublingually before meals. For those who wish to see faster results, you can take po 2 sachets a day. Or more, 3, but per Sir Simon, our pharma, he said maximum 3 sachets because the body will not be able to absorb everything if you take in more. But however, as a disclaimer, please consult your doctors if you are allergic to any of the ingredients I presented, of course, of Dinase Rosenta. Okay, now the next product we have is Immunoglow.